TechnoIllustrator. Cropping photos. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Step 2. Open up your folder. Open the folder where you have saved your photos in. To do this, click on File, Include Folder, and the folder you wanted to open. Double-click on your photo. Click Edit. Crop. A box with pointers will appear on your photo. Click and drag the pointers to adjust. Your favorite dwarf should be inside the box. Press Enter to crop.